Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the side view mirror on your Honda vehicle. This particular vehicle is a 2013 Honda Accord. This procedure will be pretty much the same for all Honda vehicles. Now, the side view mirror is held on by three 10mm nuts that's behind this panel. All you need is a pry tool or a flat screwdriver, and just pry this out like so. Now, as you can see, there's 1, 2, and 3. Now, for this particular vehicle, which is a 2013 Honda Accord Coupe, I do have to remove the entire door panel right here in order to release a harness that's behind right here. Without releasing the harness, you can't fully remove this entire side view mirror assembly. So I'll have the video on how to remove the door panel for the Coupe and also for the sedan on 9th Gen Honda Accord in the video description below, so go check that out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and then remove the door. All right, I don't need to go ahead and disconnect the door handle. I'm just gonna hold this right here. All I'm after is this right here, this clip. So I'm just gonna push the right tab and remove the harness like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the inside corners to remove this little clip, so then I can go ahead and when I fish this wire harness out, it can go out and to the outside over here. So there you go. So what I did was I released the two sides right here, squeeze them together in to pop it out of that hole. All right. Now I can go ahead and remove the three 10mm nut, and I can go ahead and take that out. And I'm gonna take my other hand and I'm gonna hold the side mirror so that it doesn't fall off. For the 9th Gen Accord, there is a clip that holds it in place, but some other models, it might not have this clip, so always good idea to hold it with your other hand. Okay, so I removed all three. Now there is a clip that I gotta press up here, and this will release the entire side view mirror. And I just have to fish out the wires, and there you go. All right, to reinstall, go ahead and route the wires through the hole. Line up the three bolts. And then push the mirror inside. So hold it and push it in. And then put on your clip, and then the harness back in the clip, and I'm gonna push this in and then tighten it. And then put the door back on. You hook the top in first. And then push the clips, and then reinstall your trim piece. And then put your screws back on, and you're done. All right, so that was a procedure on how to remove the side view mirror on your Honda vehicle. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.